Good morning, everyone, from a very bad lit costume storage. We've got a lot of junk out because we're packing up for the costume market. Third edition of the costume market. Finally, after 2 years, because you know, and Rona. So this is all the stuff that we picked out from storage and the things we're gonna sell. Here's a Melchior.
Hello.
I've had a sweaty Melchior because it's hot today. So yeah, this is mostly props and accessories that we have to bring down. And I mean, we still have this, you know, which we're not gonna sell, but we have so many costumes, which is why the whole costume market was invented in the first place. Anyway, let me show you the rack downstairs, and now we're going to bring everything down and load the van and drive to the location to start setting up.
Yeah.
Because tomorrow morning it's going to be an early day. So, clothing rack, and there's not. We still have some other things that didn't fit on here, but this is basically what we're bringing. So this is a lot of Melchior's army stuff, some old costumes, some projects I did at school. I still have my yellow Elizabeth costume, some musical ones. I'm selling my sweetheart, Mrs. Lovett. I've decided to part with it. I've got some old opera costumes. This beautiful 20s coat, which is way too big for me. It's like we're moving, but we're not. So much stuff. Hello!
It's your boy and your girl.
Yeah.
It's us.
Is it though?
I think so.
Last time we checked.
Yeah.
Yeah, still.
Okay, good. So
It's just 10 past 1.
Yeah.
We had quite a surge. We lost quite some stuff already.
Yeah, you did pretty well, right?
Yeah, costume-wise.
Yeah, costume-wise, selling the costumes.
Accessories was a little bit later. I sold some stuff. The hats don't really want to go that much. We're definitely lighter going home.
Yeah, we're going home with less stuff, so that's good.
Yeah.
So,
I think we had a little bit of a slower start than last time because it was raining.
Yeah,
pouring
bad
rain,
weather.
So we didn't have like a whole line waiting outside.
Yeah.
But I think that was because of the rain. But it's actually, we had quite a turnout. We're almost at, well, I mean, we still have like 3 hours to go.
is it still 4? Yeah. So yeah. So who knows what turns still will turn up? So. Well, at least we sold some stuff. Well, as you can see, this is the back of the van.
This is what's left.
Yeah, this is.
We just got back home and hi. We just got back home and we're gonna unload the truck.
Yeah.
But we had a quite successful market today. So.
Yeah, about the same amount of visitors as last time.
Yeah.
Even though it was all kind of last minute and
yeah, it was a little bit short notice this time, and it was
middle of the season.
Middle of the season, which is not really ideal. But yeah, we had luckily a good turnout, and everyone was very happy. So that's also good.
Yeah, and next year we're gonna do it again.
Yes, 4th edition.
Yes, 4th edition.
So now we're gonna quickly unload the truck and bring the
because it's a rental, so
the rental back, and then we can relax.
Finally.
So
Yeah.
Thank you for coming along on this probably quick journey, but
yeah.
Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you next time.
Okay, bye bye people.
Bye.